The finance world is evolving faster than ever. Digital transformation and big data are driving demand for faster insights, smarter reporting, and automation. But while the tools are advancing, skills aren't keeping pace. The skills gap is growing. Without data analytics expertise, careers stall. Organizations fall behind. Finance professionals are now expected to go beyond number crunching, to analyze, interpret, and drive strategy. Yet too many are still stuck in spreadsheets. Those who embrace modern analytics tools, like Power BI, move ahead. Those who don't risk being left behind. That's why the Analytics in Power BI ICAEW certificate was created. Developed by ICAEW data leaders and Kaplan learning experts. The program is designed for finance professionals. It focuses on the skills you need to thrive in today's finance sector. You'll move beyond spreadsheets, mastering Power BI's capabilities, from data quality management and modeling to visual storytelling. Each module addresses real-world finance challenges, helping you spot trends, forecast with confidence, and deliver insights that drive strategic decisions. Flexible on-demand learning lets you study anytime, anywhere, earning 20 CPD hours while building skills that set you apart. For individuals, it's a career boost. For businesses, it means smarter decisions, higher efficiency, and a finance function ready for the future. Finance isn't standing still. Step into the future of finance with the Analytics in Power BI ICAEW certificate. Visit icaew.com/Power BI to find out more.